said he's going to go and try to go for that Masters. He better get in that Kutztown. Well, they will once they get his transcripts. They'll probably accept them. You see, we're only 90 minutes away. That's close. So he could come home anytime he wants. That's nothing, 90 minutes.
Where are you going? You're driving like he's drunk.
I thought he was going to go on that curb. You better watch. I don't know what's wrong with this guy.
Like
I thought he was going to drive right up
with the curb.
Right onto the curb. Just stay far back from him. I don't trust this guy. God, he would have tipped that if he wouldn't try to go up on that curb. And it's fuel, too, he has. God. Yeah, just stay far behind. Think I will almost home.
Oh, I'm putting this stuff on YouTube.
Yeah, well, he went almost up to that
Look at
curb.
you, he's going over, no, he's going over the line.
Yeah, he's going over the line. He has to be drunk or something. He's going to crash with this goddamn truck.